Hello, everyone. Welcome to tenorshare channel. Today we bring you a super practical tutorial how to restore WhatsApp messages on a new phone. Did you just change to a new phone or accidentally delete WhatsApp and found that all your important chat records disappeared? Don't panic. We will show you 2 ways to restore WhatsApp messages so that your messages will be restored instantly. Method 1. Restore on Android phone using Google Drive Android to Android. If you are switching from one Android device to another Android phone, the process is very simple. 1. Confirm the backup. On the old phone, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Click on Chats. Select Chat Backup. And make sure your chats, photos and videos have been successfully backed up to Google Drive. 2. Install and log in. Download and install WhatsApp on the new phone and log in with the same Google account as the old phone. 3. Restore data. Open WhatsApp on your new Android. Enter your mobile phone number. Log in to your WhatsApp account via a verification code from another phone. And WhatsApp will automatically detect the backup file on Google Drive. Just tap Restore and wait patiently for the data to download. You see, all the messages are seamlessly transferred to the new device. Method 2. Restore WhatsApp messages using iCareFone WhatsApp Transfer. Any-to-any phone. For users who want to migrate WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or other cross-brand transfers, Google Drive does not directly support recovery. At this time, you can use the third-party tool, iCareFone WhatsApp Transfer, which can easily achieve WhatsApp data transfer across different devices. 1. Connect your device. First, connect your Android phone and iPhone to the computer with a data cable and start the iCareFone WhatsApp transfer software. 2. Device configuration. According to the software prompts, select the correct source device and target device. Click the transfer button. Android will pop up a window to turn on the Android USB debugging function. Just turn it on. If Android does not pop up this window, you need to manually turn on the developer mode. Find the About Phone option in the Android phone settings. Click it. Click Software Information. And click the Build Number option 7 times in a row to turn on the developer mode. Then, in the Settings menu, click the Developer Mode option, find the USB debugging function and turn it on. 3. Data backup and transfer. According to the software prompts, you need to back up your WhatsApp data end to end on the source device. Open WhatsApp on the source device and enter Setting. Open Chat. Click Chat Backup. Scroll down to find the option to enable end-to-end encrypted backup. Click to use a 64-bit encryption key instead. And take a screenshot to save the generated 64-bit key. Afterwards, enter the key in iCareFone to confirm your identity. After verification, the software will start to help you restore data to your target device. Note that this usually requires turning off the Find My function on the iPhone. According to the software prompts, turn off the Find My function. Now the software will start to transfer all WhatsApp backups to the new phone. The iPhone will restart. After waiting for the restart to complete, you can see all the chat records restored on the iPhone. Isn't it very simple? The above is the content of today's video. If you think this tutorial is helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring you more practical technology sharing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.